Hello YouTube, how you all doing? I've done my eyebrows off the camera already. Now I'm wearing the eyeshadow. This eyeshadow palette is from Afrique by Juvia. Yeah, Juvia's please. Now I'm using a shade called Cameroon from that palette. I'm using it as my transitional shade. I'm blending it in properly. When you're applying eyeshadows, you have to try and blend in so that you make the harsh lines disappear. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like my videos, share my videos, make comments. Tell me how the makeup look is. If it's nice or if it's something that you could wear, or try the look as well. And now I'm using the MAC NC46 MAC foundation. That's my shade. Putting it at the back of my hand, and then using a foundation brush to paint, a foundation painting brush to paint it on the face. I'm doing that. So continue painting it to the face. I do that. For me, it helps me with easy blending. When I do this technique, it helps me blend the foundation in easily, and it makes the foundation application very neat for me. Everyone has this technique. You could choose to use this, you could choose to use others, though I don't even use only this, but most of the time when I'm using a foundation, a liquid foundation, I like to use that method. So now using my foundation blending brush, I'm blending the foundation onto my skin. This foundation gives a full coverage. As you can see, all my acne spots are properly covered. It has a full coverage feel. Blending it into the skin properly. All the places that are supposed to be blended in. I blend it down to the neck so as not to create a kind of a mask kind of thing. Using the LA concealer. The yellow concealer I'm using is in yellow corrector or something. Yeah. So I'm using it to highlight the areas that needs to be highlighted. Blending the highlighter as well. Using the foundation brush. Now I like to blend in my highlight properly as to avoid caking. So I go in with a small beauty blender. Afterwards I bake. I use the loose powder to bake the concealer. Now I'm going in with MAC powder NC47 to contour. It's a dark shade, very dark shade. So I use it to contour my cheeks and my nose. Yes, it's a very dark shade, as you can see. So I contour with it. Contouring my nose with the same MAC NC47. Now I go for a loose powder. It's LA Pride pressed powder. That's what I'm using. Now I do this. The harsh lines that came from blending my eyeshadow, I like to use a powder to make it smoother. These harsh lines, if you can see them, believe that any other person can see it. Now using Naked 8 eyeshadow palette, I'm using the dark shade, the black color from there. I'm using it to do a smoky eye, to give this eye a smoky feel. I'm going for the dark shade, dropping it at the corner of my eye to give a smoky feel. I love the smoky eye. Yeah. Can you see? On to the next one. Afterwards, I use Sleek. It's a contour and highlight palette, so I'm using the highlighter from that palette. So I like the cubic bone, the tip of my nose. Afterwards, I go in with the same eyeshadow, the Cameroon, and smudge it underneath my eyelashes, the lower eyelash. Now using the Stila, is a lip palette. Is a lip palette made for the lips. It came in about 3 different colors with one kind of balm kind of feel. So you use that balm to moisturize first before, because lipstick are matte. I love the lipstick, they are mattifying. So after that, I use a nude lipstick from classic makeup. Yes, a nude lipstick to give an umber feel to the lips. That's what I'm doing now. Using NYX setting spray, I spray my makeup. Yeah, and this is the final look. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Like my video, give it a thumbs up. Drop your comment too. What is your take on the look? Is it something you can wear? Is it something you would try to wear? Thank you so much, and me see you in another video again. Thank you. Bye. Give it a thumbs up. Bye. My besties for life.